All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Breaking the Cycle with Devin. Today, we're going to take a look. We're going to taking a little look at the stock market and reviewing a little bit about everything that's really going on in the world and where we can use some of the things that are going on in the world and use these as opportunities to make some more money. So, one of the big things that are going on is right now the stock market has crashed, and right now, it's pretty volatile, so I don't recommend doing anything crazy right now, but we're just going to take a look at the Webull account. I'm going to try to explain some of these things to you. So here we are. We're looking inside our Webull account here, and you can see that. Let's go into the Vanguard Total Stock Market, the easiest way to see everything that's going on here. So what I'm seeing here, so basically this is when the pandemic hit, and we can see this huge drop. And then it recovered back, and we're in this area right now. So let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go look at it a day per day. So this has been the last couple of days in the stock market, and it's been crashing pretty hard. And there's a lot of volatility going on right now because of the pandemic that's going on, and basically the elections coming up. So we're going to see a lot of volatility here in the next couple of days. So Monday and Tuesday, I will probably not be throwing much money into the stock market unless it considerably goes down. But I think it's going to be going up and down as we get closer and more information comes out about who's leading and who's leading, whether Trump is in the lead or whether or not Biden's in the lead. But here are a lot of things that I see. The big thing is that basically, and the infections for the pandemic has been going up a lot. We're getting close to about 100,000 and close to about 100,000 a day. I know it dropped off a little bit over the weekend, but it always does that because everyone's at home and people aren't going out as much. But coming this next week, I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of increased infections, and that is normally not a good sign because that causes a lot of issues. The big thing that we're looking out for is the potential for a second lockdown. And a second lockdown is going to start slowing the economy down. And that basically means that the stock market's going to keep dropping. And this is probably another one in a lifetime opportunity to make a lot of money. So if you had actually invested in the stock market around here, you would have made a ton of money. Not exactly sure how much, but the stock market has a tendency to recover pretty quickly. And what I'm seeing here for the future is that so stock market is probably going to continue to drop. There's going to be a lot of volatility next week because of the elections, and we're not really sure what's going to be going down, what's going to be going on. But as long as it keeps going down, I'm going to be continuing to invest every single day. So the way I kind of have this set up right now is that I have, and you can set it up in your own way, but I have X amount of money that I have sitting in my bank account that I can invest, whatever that amount is for you. And ideally, I'm assuming if the market goes down, it'll probably go down for a month or two before it starts leveling out. So I kind of set up my money in this way. So I take however much I have, and then I basically divide it. I basically divide it by 30. By 30 days, you can do 45 days, whatever amount you want. And I put that amount of money into the stock market every single day. For me right now, the number's right around $100, and I'm going to be throwing more and more in. And then actually, if I run out of money, in 30 to 45 days, if I run out of money and the stock market keeps going down, I'm actually going to use my M1 account. And I'm going to borrow some money against my portfolio, and I'm actually going to keep throwing some money in. So that's very high risk. If you don't, and I'm not going to recommend you do anything. This is a disclaimer as always. This is just what I'm doing with my money. This channel is about following someone who's actually trying to achieve fire. And I see a huge opportunity here to get some amazing returns on your money. So I'm going to be investing this entire way down with the hope that, it's going to be coming back up pretty soon. Hopefully we don't end up going into a full-blown recession and this is just a temporary drop like the pandemic was, and it comes up pretty quickly. But even if it doesn't, you have to look at it as in the stocks are going to be cheap. Think of it as everything is on sale and you need to be buying it. One of the big ones that I'm actually a little side topic here that I'm looking into is Tesla. Tesla is down to $388 right now, and Tesla has been known to perform very well in these pandemic situations over the last couple months. So knowing that Tesla's down this low, I'm probably going to be buying a little more Tesla while it's under that $400 range. The $400 mark is normally below $400 is normally when I start buying Tesla. Um, but as I'm saying, I'm just gonna be throwing money in every single day. I'm gonna be putting in some. I'm probably gonna do a video every couple days just on this, how much I've put in so far, and how much more I'm planning on putting into the stock market. So I'll probably put it probably like I don't know, probably 2 or 3 videos a week. Just these. This one was a little long because it's the first one, but the next ones will be a lot shorter. Where I'm just saying, hey, this is how much money I still have available to me, and this is how much money I've put in. So you know what? If this information matters to you and you've been a little worrisome and you're not really sure whether or not to throw money in, but this week I'll show you my M1 account and it's in the red, man. It's in the red, and that's totally fine because we're in this for the long haul. And the long haul means, I mean, the long haul is retiring when we retire. So I'm going to be throwing money in here, buying all these stocks while they're on sale. And I'm going to be putting out some videos so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, how it's going. And then, after we're past this, we're going to see kind of how much we actually made on that money that we threw in. So just quick video here, probably ended up being pretty long, so I apologize about that. But thanks for coming to the channel. This is Breaking the Cycle with Devin. I hope you enjoyed it. And please drop a like and subscribe. The YouTube algorithm hates me, and you will probably never find my video again if you don't. So, once again, thanks for coming to the channel. You guys are amazing, and I hope we can reach fire together.